Okay, good morning guys! It's me again. Magluto na punta og sinabawang corned beef with vegetables. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, pork cubes, water, okra, patula, and then malunggay, the corned beef, and then garlic, tomatoes, spring onions, and then onion. Onions, and then the tomatoes, spring onions. Okay. The corned beef. Little soy sauce. Okay. Add water. 4 cups of water ni guys. Okay. Okay. And then simmer until the water is going to boil, and then we're gonna come back now. So we're gonna add okra first. Then let's simmer for 2 minutes, and then we'll cover it. Guys, the okra is cooked already, so we're gonna add the sikwa or patula. Then malunggay. Now we're gonna taste it if we need salt. Okay, just a little salt. But guys, our sinabawang corned beef with vegetables. This is our sinabawang corned beef with vegetables, guys. Okay, I'm gonna garnish it. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it again. Okay, it's good. Just have just a little okra, this one. Okay guys, so that's our sinabawang. Now it. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat. It's super yummy, guys. The vegetables are not overcooked, all the vegetables. It's super yummy, guys. So that's our sinabawang corned beef with vegetables is done. It's very affordable and healthy and quick. It's very quick to make, okay? So thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe.